got double airbag deployment. Bad luck with this car. All right, guys, we got ourselves a crashed supercar. I just got the call. I'm going to get Tony. We're going in the tow truck, and we're going. Still don't know the extent of the damages. Stay tuned.
Bad it is, but apparently somebody just ran a light and hit beer in the STO. So yeah, apparently the guy ran the red light. Beer's in it. I'm hoping beer is good. He called me back to back when I was on the phone, so you know, that's always a little scary. And you get a back-to-back call, and hopefully that guy wasn't going too fast and beer's all right. But he's just up here on Harmon and Valley View, so we'll get a quick look at it and go from there. I would like to thank today's sponsor of the video, Kamikoto Knives. The Kamikoto knives are not your average kitchen knives. They are made with high-quality Japanese steel using traditional techniques that date back to the Edo period of Japan. What makes these knives so special is that they are used by Michelin star chefs worldwide. Now, each Kamikoto goes through a 19-step vigorous process that takes several years to complete, which is why each knife comes with a lifetime guarantee. Packed with a vegetable, slicing, and utility knife, the 3-piece knife set that you see here also comes in a beautiful heavy-duty wooden box that stores the knives when you're not using them and also acts as the perfect gift. Watch this. Professional. If you're looking for a flawless blade with the highest quality of craftsmanship, these Kamikoto knives are for you. Right now, they're offering all of you an extra $50 off with your promo code ROYALTY. All you have to do is head to kamikoto.com/royalty. Now again, $50 off any purchase with our promo code ROYALTY. All you need to do, kamikoto.com/royalty.
Moment of truth.
Oh, great.
Oh, he's in the middle of the street.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that thing's up, bro.
Way to go.
I see guts on the ground.
That car's toast.
She ran a solid red light.
Where is
Light
she?
was red for 2 seconds.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm hurt a little bit. My head hurts, but I'm good.
Is that her right there?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What happened?
I was looking at this light right here, and then the light turned green. I go, right?
To make a left?
Yeah, to make a left, and then she comes in and she ran the red light. The red light was solid. It was solid for like 2 seconds.
Glad you're okay, man.
So what was going on? Were you just on your phone or?
No, I wasn't even on my phone. I was trying to figure out where I was going, and I didn't even see the red light. And I didn't even see you until the last minute. That's why I swerved. Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
'Cause I'm still shaking up right now.
It was a solid red for a couple seconds.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
We've got double airbag deployment, knees and steering wheel. Bad luck with this car. First impressions?
Oh, it's toast. That car is big time toast now. All right, got your boss. Houston. Big.
He has it on his dash cam.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
It's our lucky day. This gentleman right here actually had his dash cam active and saw the whole thing go down.
So I was coming down Valley View, heading north, and as we were approaching the intersection, I noticed a blue car going through the red light, and Lamborghini was, and the other cars, he just happened to be the first one, so he got hit, and then she just pulled over to the side over here.
Great, I appreciate it, man. So he's actually being very kind, and he's gonna let us take his SIM card in exchange for the footage. So we're actually gonna see live footage of that. Thank you, man. All right, everybody, so you're gonna notice to the left of the arrow, the blue sedan, that is the car the lady was driving. As you can see, she takes off well ahead of all the other cars. Obviously, she is in a rush to go somewhere, and we're gonna stand by for a second. It is a little bit of a trip. This guy is carrying some Uber passengers, so he is driving pretty slow. As she goes up the hill, you're gonna notice in a second that it shows flashing lights, which means when the flashing lights are there, be prepared to stop. So she completely disobeyed that, and the light was red for about 2 to 3 seconds, as Beer says. And you'll notice in the next clip right here, she blatantly just runs the red light and smashes right into the front of the STO and swerves into the left side of her lane.
We can get it for about 40 or 50 bucks.
Now that probably has to
Oh,
do
did you
with-
see that Lamborghini just got hit right now?
Oh my god.
No cars ahead of me.
Okay, so you're the first car at the light.
Uh-huh.
You're sitting there at the red.
Yep.
Light turns green. How long was it green before you started going?
Like 2 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it turns green, you start going,
Go,
and
and
you're
then-
coming through, she
yep.
just continues?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I got a recording of her saying that she ran the red light too. So what was going on? Were you just on your phone or?
No, I wasn't even on my phone. I was trying to figure out where I was going. And I didn't even see the red light. And I didn't even see you until the last minute. That's why I swerved. Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
'Cause I'm still shaking up right now.
It was a solid red for a couple seconds.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
There was an Uber driver in the area too. He's got the dash cam footage of it. He had to
Is
go
he
pick
still
up
here?
his wife.
Oh, yeah.
I have his phone number in his.
Yeah, you can give me this phone number, I'll call him. Do you guys have registration and insurance in the car?
Yeah, it's all digital. I'm having our bookkeeper send it over now.
Okay.
The biggest thing is the beer's okay. Unfortunately, we have footage that shows that she ran a red light. But the best part is beer's okay. Car is totaled for sure this time. I don't think there's any getting around that. But we're all good. Did you get all the good footage you need, Mario? Nice, nice. Andy's coming to bring the key to put it in neutral. We have this key, but the whole nother game.
It happened again. Can we believe this? STO, back-to-back damage. I'm done with that car. It's gone. We're selling it. It's got bad luck. It literally had the first Retzer accident, and then after we fixed it, the first driver accident.
our first employee driver accident also.
True, wasn't Beer's fault, but
No.
at the same time, wicked accident, not cool. So, Tony, I want to make a little bit light of this video, and I would love to give something away. What do we got here for you?
We have a 4-hour golden ticket, and for this golden ticket, you guys.
Why do we only give away 4 hours?
Why not?
Why can't we give away 24 hours?
We're gonna
Give me
give
a
away.
Sharpie. I'm gonna write a 2 on this
We've
right
got
now.
a 24-hour one. All right, so don't mind this says 4 hours. We are going to give away a 24-hour
I'll
golden
Sharpie
ticket.
on
Houston will Sharpie on it to make sure it's all official. We're going to give a 24-hour golden ticket. You have to give 10,000 likes on this video. Comment hashtag STO no on this video for your chance to win your 24-hour golden ticket.